Jokes in Urdu. Marriage jokes.
What's the difference between a marriage and a mental hospital?
At a mental hospital you have to show improvement to get out.
What is the difference between marriage and death?
Dead people are free.
Why do men ask for a woman's hand in marriage?
Because they are tired of using their own.
Why are men with pierced ears better prepared for marriage?
They've experienced pain and bought jewelry.
Why are married women heavier than single women?
Single women come home, see what's in the fridge and go to bed. Married women come home, see what's in bed and go to the fridge.
Why do men chase women they have no intention of marrying?
For the same reason dogs chase cars they have no intention of driving.
Why are husbands like lawnmowers?
They're hard to get started, emit foul odors, and don't work half the time. How can you tell if your husband is dead?
The sex is the same but you get to use the remote.
Please like, share and subscribe our channel. And don't forget to press bell icon for more upcoming videos.